Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to CS Style. Today I'm showing you my experience of Taipei during COVID. It's a dinner, and we have croquette bento box, and I think it's a spaghetti. Wow, we have a piece of a croquette. Maybe it's a fried pork, I'm not sure. More small food from my parents. What happened is that my mom cooked some more food and then she dropped it off at the front desk and they delivered the food to me. So that's why I have some additional food. So I'm gonna eat that first before I eat the bento box. It looks colorful, but I don't think it's that great. Yeah. For the drink, it has pretty fake ass grape juice. It's pretty sweet, to be honest. Haven't eaten mommy's food 2 years. Still the best. Piece of pumpkin. I think this is the main course of the day. Smell like a piece of fried pork. Oh, it's kind of interesting. So it's not only a fried pork, it has a pork, ham, and cheese in the middle. I don't know how people eat more mayo on top of it. I'll only try a small bite, but I don't think I can handle it. Oh, the mayo! God damn it! The dessert got stuck to the pork. Yeah, it's pretty greasy. Eat some more veggie from mommy. It's smell like a. At first I thought it's daikon, but I think it's fruit. It's like pear. Asian pear. That's good. Very refreshing. Here got some more dragon fruit. I can never find this kind of color and flavor in US. You need to be careful when you eat this though, because they are so colorful. So if you're wearing a white shirt, be extra careful, because they will dye your shirt. Look. I barely touched my face and it's already purple. Okay, next up. Okay, I think my mom has some more pickle or cucumber. This one is much more flavorful than the one my mom bought. Not sure if she made it. So this one on the top here, this is from the bento box, is no flavor. Only a little bit sweet and sour. This one that my mom bought, it's chopped up in smaller pieces. It has a lot more like vinegar and a little bit spicy and a garlic flavor. It's a little bit more pickle too. Wow, spicy. I don't know why there's this small bug. It must have come in when I was opening the door. For this dish, it is super thick rice noodle, and it also have some stir fried the hollow stem vegetable. My mom cooked this one, so I'm gonna eat all of them. Yeah, with mommy's flavor. definitely not oily, and not overpowering. It's just very soothing, easy to swallow, and tasty. Finish this piece of fried pork. A lot of fried food at the hotel. Basically the lunch and the dinner entree both fried. Good thing my mom bought me some vegetable and fruit, or else I might have a 上火, which is like inflammation. This f1.2 is really not good at autofocusing. Pretty good. This is a slugwa. It's a type of gourd. It's very fibrous and sweet. You guys see this? This is so hard to focus. Anyways, I'm gonna dig in here. Should I use a spoon or something? The way my mom cooks it usually is that she uses some dry shrimp. Dry shrimp and a little bit of garlic. And some salt. That's pretty much all you need. See a piece of small dry shrimp there. See that? I'm gonna try a bite of the squid ink noodle or something. I think this is squid ink. Just to see how the bento box tastes like. You know what? It's actually quite good. It's better than I expected. Tomato sauce is good. It has like a ketchup and a little bit of nutty flavor to it. Let's continue. So it's Moss Burgers red black tea. And for this one is my brother got me some food to go. So on the left we have the pork blood soup, and in the middle is the dry noodle, and then the one on the right is something else. I can open it. So this is the pork blood soup. It has pork blood, it has scallion, it has some other pickled vegetable, and what else is in there? And ginger scallions. Got ginger and scallions. Wow, and then this one I don't even know where to start. You gotta use a fork. So this is, we got this giant meatball right here. Then we got lu dan, marinade egg, tea egg. Actually, it's just marinade egg, not tea egg. Then we have a braised pork cheek. This is very tasty. You have to try it. We got some more fish cake, some more pork blood, and then the main ingredient is dry noodle. It's well marinated with all the type of like grease from pork, from big bone marrow and all these other things. It's called a 卤汁. And then lastly we have this Moss burger. It has a fried piece of pork and a piece of cheese and some lettuce in the middle. and I think it has some special sauce. Can't really tell. Here, let me use my hand. Yeah, maybe I'll have a bite just to show you guys what's inside. Okay, and then we have this good old black tea here. Yeah, let me open it too. It's running low on battery. I'm not using my camera right now. Additional charger that I'm shooting to. My mom actually cooked me some herbal tea, and she dropped it off at the front desk of the hotel room. And they have special people they can drop off to my room. It's good. Wow, it smells good. It's a little bit bitter, but it's those tea that you can buy a lot in the southeast part of it, China, or even I think Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Guangdong region. You can get them. It's called a 凉茶. It helps to fight against the heat, especially the heat wave. You have to try it next time you come here. Thanks. Okay, 这是今天的便当。Hello everyone, so I'm back with the soup is, wow, it's really hot. Wow, this is like those herbal pork rib that I really like. I'm so happy that they actually have this here today. Here, let me open it up. Cool, very nice. So, one thing. Let's see here. So as you can see here, there's the fried egg. It's a semi-cook. And then this is, it's a quail egg. We got quail egg, and we also got some braised pork over rice. And then from here we have another, I think this is a piece of fried fish. Let me double check. It looks like fried fish. Yep, it's fish. And then we kept some marinade bamboo shoots. I think it's the bean sprouts. And then we have some seaweed. Okay, let's dig in then. Fish. What is this? It's very strange. It tastes like fish and veggie. I'm confused. That's what it is. Yeah, pretty good. So as you can see from this pork over rice, there's a lot of fat in the pork. Damn, this whole piece is fat. I mean, I can eat it, but I really shouldn't. Not that much carb. I think this is bean sprouts, but I'm not really sure. It has this interesting aftertaste. A little bit slimy and a little bit earthy. Like, tastes a little bit like there's a more natural flavor. Looks good. It should be tasty. This kind of egg never disappoints. Let me show you guys what's in the soup. You're always right. Chicken, is it? It's pork. Never mind, pork. But for me, bamboo shoot. Always a good side dish. Here's some pickled vegetable. I forgot to eat it. Pickled daikon. It helps to alleviate some of the fat from the pork, braised pork. Yeah. I don't think I can finish them. I didn't really work out today, even though I tried to do some squat and push up for like 5 minutes. It doesn't really count. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, please thumb up and like my channel. If you have any other question or comment, please leave it down below. I'll see you next time.